Theaters, live sporting events, concerts. What if you could be there without being there? VR lets us do that, but is it enough to never think about going there ever again? Will it ever be enough? It's not just VR that lets us watch movies and sports from the comfort of our homes. We've always been able to do these things with TVs and within the past decade on our smartphones. So why do people still go to these places in person? Clearly, it's not just to watch. It's for an experience, and probably for most, a social experience. When was the last time that you went to the theater to see a movie? Did you go alone? If you're like most people, you probably didn't go alone. So a big part of why you went was for social reasons. And this is the main criticism that VR has right now, in that as amazing as it is in immersing you in this virtual world where you can interact with things, it's mostly an isolated experience. Or at least, that's what it's often perceived to be. But being isolated doesn't mean it's not social. At least among VR users, it can be extremely social. Take VR Chat as an example. VR Chat is a virtual world built entirely for social experiences. It's a world where you can create a custom avatar and meet and play with other VR users. There are live concerts, debates, educational classes, and many other social activities. Let's look at another example. If there's any VR app that can replace a theater right now, it's Bigscreen. Bigscreen is a virtual cinema that you can go into and buy tickets for movies or even anime to watch them at a scheduled time with a live audience of other ticket buyers. You can show up early with your friends to pick your seats and see trailers of upcoming movies before the movie starts, just like in an actual theater. You can even chat with other people in the audience as the movie is going on and mute them if they're being too loud. So VR can be social, but only with other VR users, and maybe that's what it takes. Maybe theaters and live events will exist only until VR becomes mainstream enough, until everyone has it in their pockets. And that may not be too far off. What do you think? Would you ever go to a live event in person if you and whoever you wanted to go with had a VR headset? Let me know in the comments below and like and subscribe for more.